Hey guys, welcome back to my Drunk Elephant product review series. If you're interested in knowing more about the background of the brand Drunk Elephant, please watch my introduction video of this series, which I will link here. So basically for this series, I'm reviewing one Drunk Elephant product per video to give you guys just my 2 cents and my experience with using them for the past year. And today I want to review their night serum, which is the T.L.C. Framboos Glycolic night serum in a pink packaging. So this is an AHA-BHA blend. It's essentially like a much lighter version of the T.L.C. baby facial, which I talked about in my other video, which I will link here. This is like a strong chemical peel sort of product, and this is a more of a every night serum, everyday product. So it is much lighter in terms of the AHA-BHA percentage, and it's not as irritating on your skin, if any. So if the baby facial is too strong for you, you probably want to just consider only using this. So in terms of the packaging, it's the typical Drunk Elephant packaging, light plastic, but really well sealed, keeps all the ingredient inside, stable, well kept, and no light could get in, as well as the twist and turn cap works really well. It's very well designed. So this is a night gel. I usually use it after my toner and my eye cream, and I just basically put one pump all over my face, and that's it. I've stopped using this for a while, and my skin was like doing fine back then, so I just didn't want to continue using this. But my diet got really bad, and I think I had some like hormone issues, so I started breaking out and my skin became really bad for a little bit, and I restarted using this, and it really helped improve my skin situation. Now it's empty, so I gotta buy more of this, but I'm also trying to eat more healthy and like keep my current condition. It works almost exactly the same like the baby facial, like I talked about in my previous video. There's a small stingy sensation when you put it onto scars. If you have breakouts that you've sort of popped or other scars on your face, then when it gets to that area, it's gonna hurt a little bit, but definitely not as much as the baby facial, which is so much stronger. The good thing about this is that the hardening part really helps your skin heal. So the hyperpigmentation that you get after breakouts or like uneven skin tone, all of that stuff really goes away with consistent use of this. I'd say over a span of a week, you will see noticeable results. So this is why I really like this product, because I sort of restarted using this product as a first aid remedy sort of situation, and it really helped improve my skin, especially my breakouts. So this is really something that I recommend to all of you out there who have sort of like a dullness situation on your skin, or a lot of breakouts, or like uneven skin tone type of situation, just like rough situation. Or if you have like near perfect skin but you wanna keep it as is, it works in both ways. I would, however, recommend testing this out in a small area first before applying to your entire face for the very first time, just so you get a sense of how like your skin would react to this kind of product. And also, it is highly recommended that you combine the use of their T.L.C. products together with their marula oil, which is extremely hydrating and soothing. So it's a great combo together. Alright guys, thank you so much again for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!